Removing inner CV joints can be a tough task, working in tight spaces with little leverage. Prying the axle out can also damage the transaxle or surrounding components. To pull the axle assembly, use the 7509 inner CV joint puller. The included CV joint fork slides over the axle ring and screws into the slide hammer assembly. Tighten the nut to keep the fork in place and pull on the 5-pound hammer to remove the axle. It's a lot safer than trying to pry it out and damaging the vehicle. Different size CV forks are also available, and use the same 5/8 inch by 18 threads to work on more vehicles. The slide hammer can also be used with other attachments to help you finish a job faster, including hub pullers for rear axle removal, internal and external jaw pullers for bearings, gears, and seals, grip wrench adapter for locking pliers, dent pullers for dent removal and sheet metal, specialized fuel injector pullers. The 7509 CV joint puller is a great starter slide hammer with dozens of available upgrades to expand your service and tool needs. So you can work smarter, not harder, to beat the flat rate.